Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi allazina istafa amma ba'd. Qala Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala fil kalamil majid wal furqanil hamid. Ba'da a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَلَا تَقُولُوا لَمَنْ يُقْتَلْ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ أَمْوَاتٌ بَلْ أَحْيَاءٌ وَلَكِنْ لَا يَشْعُرُونَ. فی مقام آخر قال اللہ تبارک و تعالی تعاونوا علی البر والتقوی ولا تعاونوا علی الإثم والعدوان. قال رسول اللہ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم لیس منا من ضرب الحدود وشق الجیوب. ایضاً قال رسول اللہ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم صوموا عاشوراء وخالفوا فیہ الیہود وصوموا قبلہ یوما واحدا بعد یوم واحدا. صدق اللہ مولانا العظیم و صدق رسولہ النبی الکریم و نحن علی ذالک من الشاہدین و الشاکرین والحمد للہ رب العالمین. اللہم صلی علی سیدنا محمد و علی آل سیدنا محمد و بارک وسلم و صلی علیہ. رب اشرح لی صدری و یسر لی امری واحلل عقدۃ من لسانی یفقہوا قولی. ربی زدنی علما. سبحانک لا علم لنا الا ما علمتنا انک انت العلیم الحکیم. My most honored brother and sister in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is New Year. I don't take courage to say Happy New Year, though it is Happy New Year. But incident happened. The last month of Islamic calendar was sacrifice of Ismail alayhi salam. At the beginning, the first month, go to Karbala Mohalla. You see 72 people martyred in the company of Hazrat Husain radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. There is sacrifice. Jannat is not cheap. We had to pay some price. There is sacrifice of mal, wealth, jaan, health, life, and aql. Because certain commandment of Islam does not make sense to the aql, but we have to follow it. One example, go around the Kaaba 7 times. The exercise? No. This is hukum. We have to follow it. I quoted before you Ayat Mubarakah, Surah Al-Baqarah. Don't say they are dead who sacrifice their life for the cause of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Like a big example. In the Muharram, Hazrat Husain radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, along with other companion, holy companion, sacrificed their life. For what? For kingdom? For voting? No. For haqq, for truth. We cannot say them dead body, no. They are alive. They are given rizq. Their life is such life, shoda, life is such life, we don't perceive, we can understand. Second Ayat Mubarakah, ta'awanu ala birr wa taqwa. Always cooperate with haqq. This is a good question. Every day we face these things. In the family life, in social life, in office life, even in the masjid life. Cooperate, support haqq, truth, no matter what other party belong to your family, your son, whoever it is. Muslim, non-Muslim, we have to support truth, haqq. We have to vote for haqq always. وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ. We should not cooperate with the sinful act. If we cooperate, become helpful to somebody who is doing good deed, we will get a share of good deed also. If we cooperate with the bad thing, somebody doing it, we say yes, we will be part of that sin. And this is happening 24 hours in our life. We should be watchful. I quote Hadith Pak. Laisa minna. Prophet said, Man zarab al-khudud, who beat his chest. They have a custom in Medina, Mecca, Mukarramah. When anybody died, women used to go their houses as a group and used to beat their chest. Prophet said, he is not from among us. He is not good Muslim. I will say it, he is not good Muslim. This is the right translation. Who beat their chest and shackle you, and with the sorrow they tear up their clothes. No. Hadith Pak quoted, Sumu Ashura. Even from Musa alayhi salatu wasalam, the 10th of Muharram, Ashura, the fasting was obligatory before Ramadan. Before Ramadan came, Ashura fasting was must, obligatory. So Ramadan came, it became mustahab. So Prophet said, we should not only, like Yahud, only do fasting on 10th. We should do 9th, Khaliful Yahud, do opposite. 9th and 10th, or 10th and 11th. This is about Al-Hasan of Al-Hussain, Shababul Al-Jannah. Rasulullah Akram told Hazrat Hasan, Hazrat Hussain, they are youth of the Jannatul Firdaus. If our young people follow the Aswa Hasana, our Sahaba Karam, especially Hasan Hussain radiallahu ta'ala anhu, subhanallah, they will be raised among those youth. This is first month of Muharram. Of course, big incident episode happened. But again, remember that every month something happened. In Ramadan, Hazrat Ali Karbala was martyred. So many other Sahaba. But we will not make our Islamic calendar like a mourning. हम अपने मजहब को मातमी नहीं बनाएंगे. Why? But someday other there is sacrifice. Shah Ast Hussain, Deen Ast Hussain, Deen Pana Ast Hussain. Shah Ast Hussain, Deen Ast Hussain, Deen Pana Ast Hussain. Sardad, Nadad, Dast, Dar Dast Yazid, Haqqa ke banaye, La ilaha Ast Hussain. Every era, Muslim Ummah need Hussain, who stand up for the truth. Because of time shortage, few things I advise how we should behave. Our Aqidah, our Sunnat Ahl Jamaat is this: Kullu as-Sahaba kulluhum adul. All companion of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam are haqq. We don't differentiate. He is a higher, he is a lower, who we are. Only Allah SWT knows whose what status is. We respect, love, obey each and every Sahabi, no matter what. Second lesson we're getting from here, this episode of Karbala Mohalla, we should always vote for the haqq. Maybe voting for the masjid, voting for the community, or voting in the family. We should always, Allah knows, we also speak up for the haqq and truth. Number 3, we should have firm belief in taqdeer. Hazrat Husain R.A, when he planned to go to Kufa, Hazrat Zubair R.A, Abdullah ibn Abbas R.A, they stopped him. Don't go. Okay. If you are going, you got a letter from the Kufi people. But remember that, Kufi la Yufi. You cannot trust Kufa people. They already did Shaheed Ali radiallahu ta'ala, your dad. Don't go there. But it was taqdeer, destiny, making him to go. At least Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala, other Sahaba, please, you go yourself, don't take your family with you. For what? But again, it was in the destiny, taqdeer. How we handle taqdeer? We should do our best with best ability. We should do best with our best ability. Then what result come, we have to accept it. Other lesson we're getting from this episode of Karbala Mohalla, we should be patient. Any agony happen, any trouble come, any big loss come, قل إن صلاتي ونسكي ومحياي ومماتي لله رب العالمين. Everything from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should be patient. We should try our best to do good. But something negative happen, what should we do? It is recommended by Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, say inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Even you lose one penny, heavy traffic, just say inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. This will help you, bless you with the patience, and also you get reward also. We should be away from the bid'at of Muharram. We should not join the morning Matami Majalis. We should not join Matami Majalis. Neither we should see on TV. No. What should we do? We should get lesson from big event, that we stand for the truth and we will not even lose sajda, salat, even sword is hanging. Husain radiallahu ta'ala anhu gave life in the sajda. सरदाद नदाद दस्त दर दस्त यजीद हक्का के बनाए ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह हुसैन। वो है सजदा जिसे तू गरा समझता है, हजार सजदों से देता है आदमी को निजात। जिस काश अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला bless us with सजदा शबीरी, सजदा सच सलात। We should make तलावत कुरान मजीद, do large sadaqat, khairat in the path of Allah, lot of donation in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and start isale sawab. So Hazrat Hussain radiyallahu ta'ala anhu and all his companions of Karbala Mullah. This we can do. Help the poor people. This is New Year. New Year starting from Muharram. What should we do now? We should self-evaluate our past year. सबका साल का मुहासबा करें. What we did good deed, we should do shukr. What happened bad deed, we should do tawbah. Such tawbah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala even change the sins into hasanat. It's the lesson. We should respect the progeny of Sadat-e Khandan. We should help respect the Sayyid Khandan, no matter where they are. We should respect the dynasty of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. To honor them is a wajib on us. What happened? Why he went to Karbala Mullah? Because Kufi people sent letter that Yazid is not good ruler, Khalifa. You come down here and we will do bay'ah with you and we take you as Khalifa. This was the story. And Husain R.A, he was not coward. He was brave. But when he reached there, at that time, Ibn Ziyad was put as governor. When he started Medina, Ibn Ziyad was not governor. When Ibn Ziyad became governor, he is a very shrewd, very, very wicked person. And what end result came? Lash of Shahada happened in Karbala Mullah. जी के मरना तो सबको आता है, जी के मरना तो सबको आता है, मर के जीना सिखाया हुसैन ने। शाह अस्त हुसैन, दीन अस्त हुसैन, दीन पना अस्त हुसैन, सरदाद ना दाद दस्त दस्त जदीद हक्का के बनाए ला इला अस्त हुसैन। कत्ले हुसैन असल में मरगे यजीद है। शहादत हुसैन असल में मरगे यजीद है। इस्लाम जिंदा होता है हर करबला के बाद। चंद इशार उनकी शान में अर्ज हैं। सजदे तो किए सब ने لیکن یہ نیا انداز ہے نماز کے اندر، سجدے کے اندر جان دینا۔ سجدے تو کیے سب نے، لیکن یہ نیا انداز ہے۔ حسین نے سجدہ وہ کیا جس پر خدا کو ناز ہے۔ عبادت کی حقیقت ہے کہ محبت میں فنا ہونا۔ عبادت کی حقیقت کہ محبت میں فنا ہونا۔ شہادت کی حقیقت ہے فنا ہو کر بقا ہونا۔ تو my respected brothers, this incidents what happened in the month of Muharram, beginning of the year. What lesson we get? We should ready to sacrifice everything for the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is a lesson. If we love Hussain, we should not dare to leave salat. We should make 5 times salat. Must. This is sign of love of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ati'ullah wa ati'ur Rasul wa ulul amri minkum. We had to obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Rasul. وَمَنْ يُطِعِ الرَّسُولَ فَقَدْ أَطَاعَ اللَّهَ. Who obey Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So conclusion, this is a month of Al-Muharram. Big episode happened. We should lead life full of truth. We should always help the truth, side with the truth. We should recite Quran Majid and Sadaqat and Isal Sawab for the family of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam who gave their life in the Karbala Mallah. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Jazak. Please share this video as a sadaqah jariyah. Jazakallah khair.